For this video, I'll show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Salesforce. First, go to Mailchimp website and click on Login on the top right corner. Now, just log into your account, then click on Integrations on the left-hand panel. Once in, search for Salesforce. Here, you will see different integrations platforms. Just choose this first one, which is Skivia. Then click on Learn More. Once in, just go and sign up for free. Here you can use your Google account. Then just fill in the fields needed. Once done, just click on Next Step. And in here, just select your role, then Next. And you can also customize your experience and tell your use for Skivia. Once inside the dashboard, click on Connections on the upper menu, then Create New. Now, search for Salesforce and select it. Once in, just click Sign in with Salesforce. Then just go ahead and add in your username and password, then log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, just click on Allow Access. Now just create the connection. And you can also save it. Then you can also test the connection to see if it is working, and you'll see that the connection is successful. You can also go ahead and add in a title for that connection. So I'm just gonna name it as Salesforce to Mailchimp. Then save it again. After that, you can go back to your dashboard and you'll see your connection created. And that's it. That's how you integrate Mailchimp to Salesforce. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.